50 kilos, one sack of rice, 50 kilos, was only 19 pesos and 75 centavos. And look at the sack of rice now. How much is it? More than 212 pesos. So we have a house in Cebu. Then when we moved to Manila, we have a house in Salzburg and now in Pugliese. More stories in the Pugliese house later. And not yet for my husband. We will be celebrating our 54 years next September. We have been working for 7 years. How many years will that be? Everybody knows I vote for him. I like that for my children and grandchildren. They are the reasons why I am still very happy. Now, let me just relate to you some anecdotes regarding my children. I'll start with Ariel. Ariel, when I had my first battle of cancer in 1980, he was in grade. Chris and me were talking about our finances because I had to undergo an operation. And then we talk of operation, it is expensive. Then, little did we know, Ariel pala was listening to what we were discussing. Remember that one? And then, we just gave him his allowance of 2 pesos. 2 pesos allowance ni Uncle Ariel for the 2 pesos. Hindi niya tinanggap. Sabi niya, huwag na lang itulong na lang yan sa ating operasyon. Hindi na niya iwas si Ann, nalala na ito, ha? Just at this incentive, it is called tumbas. Whatever you say from your allowance, pinutumbasan niya ng exact amount pagdating ng Sabado. So pagdating ng Sabado, Ariel, zero. Zero. Most it was not in school yet. And 20 pesos. So, every week, nabibigyan siya ng 20 pesos. After one day, out of that blue or guilty ba siya? Sinabi niya, nautakan mo si Papa. Nahiram ako ng 20 pesos sa aking kaklas pagka-Friday. So, pag mabigyan na siya ng 20 pesos, pagka sa Monday, binabalik na niya yung 20 pesos. That went on for months. Nung malaman ni Chris na galit nito, hindi niya ma-accept the fact that mas mautang ang nangyari sa kanya. Redeem herself. We were in Calgary. Hot convention. In Calgary, there was this old woman, I forgot her name, Mrs. Collier, yes, Mrs. Talaga mo, maalala ko siya. Di ba yung ni Corner? So, I will go to the department store to buy Corner. Pagdating, balik niya din siya. Ang Corner, balik niya yung naisabi ni Mrs. Collier. O, sabihin na niya, kasi pag umalis na niya abroad, because give her own money, give me my own money, so palagi kami nag-dasher. Now, sa Calgary, pag mag-dasher kami ni Susan Milan, bukas na, District Governor, Rotary International. Last week kami, pag Mrs. Maniriwal State, ako na lang magbayad for So nga, hindi na kuha na namin. Pagdating namin ng Pilipinas, sabi, Ma'am, marami pa akong dala. O ano, bakit tayo? Sabi ko, no, I will return this to Papa. And but she did return that money, and I know there and then, she learned her lesson from Alice. Si Vincent, I don't know, basta may mga bata, they are really drawn to him. Kahit saan kami pumupunta pag may bata, sa kanya lumalapit. Then one time, we visited Netherlands. I visited a friend. I did not know that her baby was special. And she did not share it with me. She did not want to tell me. Pero ito si Vincent, ikot ng ikot, napunta doon sa kwarto. Kinuha yung bata. Dinala sa amin. Umiyak na yung nanay, sabi niya, o sige, sabihin ko na lang sa iyo lahat. Total, dinala na naman ang kanatubiro. Mga taga sa Montana, kilala mo kung sino ang ibigay sa akin. So, yun, sinabi na niya, mga so nag-iiyakan na. Sabi niya, salamat sa anak mo, hindi ako nahihirapan magsabi sa iyo sa lahat. Si Chris Noel. Ito si Chris Noel, si June, galang ng kalaki mo. Tapos, nakita niya yung completing house. Siya nakakita ng completing house. So, when she was sabi, I saw a beautiful house. It has a white garden, let's go see it. So we went to see that. So, hindi ko na naman kami dito sa aming finances. Parang hindi pa kaya. So, it took months. But the house was not yet sold. So, sabi ko, para sa akin yung text. So, ano na naman siya ng kanyang, saan siya makalong? One more resume. Nagdala siya ng envelope, airmail envelope. Puno na yan! Sabi niya, nakasulat doon sa labas ng envelope. Papa, Mama, to help you buy the house. Anong say mo? Di ka ba maiyak mo? Si Andy, we used to pray the rosary every night as a family. One night, Andy woke up crying. He was crying so loud. So we were wondering why. And then when we asked him, he said, "Di tayo nakapag-rosaryo." So happy na we nag-rosary kami. And now, ang question ko, Laura, Andy, do you still pray the rosary every night? Oh, walang sagot. Another thing I want to thank God for our extended families. So, Palma, Esther, Louis and April, here represented by Eddie and Annabelle, Marinteres and Marinteres, parents ni Laura, walang nandito, and also the parents here. I am thankful to them for embracing my children. They are treating my children like their own. Mga bihira. To my Ada, nasa family, thank you for coming. For the Galitan family, we seldom see each other, but we still connect. I thank God for friends, for the Philippine ladies. Where are the Philippine ladies?
sa'yo. Sino ka?
Popularized by the Beatles?
Hindi.
Apo.
Apo.
I thought you were not listening.
Apo.
Pretty ladies, I love you.
Love you too. Love you.
And also, I thank God for the SPs. These ladies, we have been friends for the last 36 years.
Ayun ang
And when
isang sana sa
when I was recuperating on my
Kanina,
second
ako
operation
hiking.
with my heart for cancer, every month they go to visit me and we have all the love, the stories, marketing, and also they brought food.
alam kong totoo.
And
Dismutan
I am very thankful to them. For my Kota friends, Susan Miranda, she used to be the district governor of Kota International. Kota International is an organization which is here to help the hearing impaired. When the convention was uncovered, I was invited to talk on a certain topic. I wanted to say no, but Susan did not say no. Susan just said, just say something from your heart. And so I did. And you know, during that time, Anne was there. After my speech, I saw her clapping, applauding for me. And everybody followed her. So I did not know if the clapping was from me or naawa sa kanya. Remember that Susan? But I was reassured that I made a good speech because Attorney Ricky Castro approached me and said, Esther, you made us proud. Knowing her or more than him. Then there was this convention in Boracay. After my speech, a dear friend of mine, he said, she's up there, may she waiting please. Pagkatapos ng speech ko, all na talaga yung tumatayo pumapalakpak. Si Obet, si walang intensyon papalakpak nung makita si Diyos sa Giselle. Tumayo sila, pumalakpak na lang. What a friend. I had two trials in life. In 1980, I had my first battle of cancer. Ang pilit ko lang makatapos ng sitting college. Wala kasi si at saka si Anne. Makatapos ng sitting college. Grabe. Next, in 2014, I was diagnosed with colon cancer. Stage 3. I was so depressed. But I did not want my family to work. So I don't. In front of them, I felt, they're free. I didn't let them feel how I was feeling. I did not show to them how I was feeling inside. Ang ginawa ko, punta ako sa bahay ni Tim. He was living near us at that time. Ang kausapin ko si Sofia. Sofia, where are you? Sofia, di pa siya marunong maglakad, naka-walker pa. Sabi ko, Sofia, maabutan kaya itang lumalaki? Sabi ko sa kanya, ayun siya, kasi lukan ni lahat ng mga nasa sinasabi ko sa kanya. Ay, Sofia. And then, sagot yung nagpapakita lang na tapat talaga kayo sa akin.
Siyempre.
Ako man ay tapat sa inyo. Kahit
Iboto si F.
ang salitang tapat, babalagtarin mo man, tapat pa rin. Now, what is the nearest translation of tapat in English?
Sincere.
Trust, loyalty, trust. Maybe trust is tweaked a little bit accurate. But trust, you should not break trust. Because once trust is broken, it has its consequences. Be it on relationships or on population.
For
Now, last
20
year, I am not a perfect person. I know I may have wronged some of you, wronged you willfully, unknowingly, or by omission. For those I have harmed, I am sorry from the bottom of my heart. What now, my God? I don't know what tomorrow brings. I may not know how many tomorrows I have.
Kwento yan eh.
But I choose to live today with gratitude, purpose, and a thankful heart.
Nawala
I
sa
surrender
plan.
everything to the Lord. Thy will be done. Let me close by quoting something I came across in my readings. It may not